Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Google image search history step by step. First, open your browser and go to myactivity.google.com. This is where Google stores all your search activity, including image searches. Once you're on the site, click on Web and App Activity. If it's turned off, turn it on temporarily to view your activity. Then, click the drop-down arrow and choose Turn Off and Delete Activity. Now, when prompted, click Next. By default, Google selects all types of activity, but since we only want to delete image search history, uncheck Select All and check only the Images option. Then click Next and confirm the deletion. That's it. Your Google image search history will be deleted instantly without affecting your web or app data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.